Audi TT centre brake light replacement. So pull that off and undo 2 Torx 20 headed screws which are in there underneath the hand grip. Then with a suitable tool go around and undo the trim clips. They're very tight ones. Post the boot release mechanism through the hole and remove the trim. Then recover any trim clips which came adrift and put them back in their slots. Then accessed through these holes there are 2 plastic screws which can be undone with a flat screwdriver. They hold the light on, don't lose them. These also have a 13mm hexagon. Fin up. And then the light is held down with double-sided foam sticky tape, so you have to prise it up and tear through that tape with a suitable soft implement. And release the wiring plug by pressing that little lever and pulling it out. Remove the old foam and clean the area. Pull the backing off the sticky tape on the new one, put the wiring back in, stick it down in place, and just a reversal to put the thing back together.